Hello and welcome to 89 Manzanita. This is the exterior of the building. It's located in a wonderful location, walking distance to shops, conveniences, grocery stores, and so much more. This unit comes with one-car parking and shared laundry. So this door over here to the left is the entrance to the garage and where the laundry is. The unit that we're going to be touring is a top-level unit with lots of natural light and beautiful views. Okay, to the right here is 89. Right as you walk in, straight ahead to the left is the living room, kitchen to the right, and the bedroom is down the hall to the right, which we will start our tour. You have two large closets here. This is a nice room, lots of plugs, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This is the view out the window, and the bedroom is facing the back of the building, so it is extremely quiet. Here's the first closet. This is a walk-in closet. Two shelves up on top for organizing and storage. Here is the second closet. Just outside the bathroom here is a linen closet, lots of shelving, beautiful full bathroom, pedestal sink, bathtub and shower combination. There is a fan over the shower that sucks up all the moisture. This goes down the stairs to the back. Lovely kitchen with stone counters. You have a dishwasher, gas range, refrigerator, lots of cabinet and counter space. Pretty good size for a one-bedroom. There is also a breakfast area here, or it could be used as a home office for those of you who are still working from home. This is a view out the window here. You have gas heating. Okay, and here is the living room. This is a large room. It is somewhat open to the kitchen and breakfast area. Also, you have a huge bonus room here. This could be used as an office as well, or additional storage. The front door is to the right. Here is a coat closet. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.